Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the 10 coolest gadgets and tools that are next level. Let's get started. Number 1. Connect Cable Tie Tensioning Tool. Cable ties with a width of 0.1 to 0.2 inches are compatible with this gun. It's designed to be operated with one hand and weighs roughly half a pound. It will help you to tie the tie firmly and snip off any excess tie quickly and cleanly. A unique wheel can be used to easily change tension, and there is also an auto disconnect feature. Number 2. Smart Back's Shark Tooth. This is the world's first product of its sort. It includes a patented built-in saw, so all you need is a drill to cut a hole in a matter of seconds. If you need to install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, outlets, lights, or other accessories, the box comes in useful. The maximum weight is approximately 6 pounds. It's composed of polycarbonate, which means it's resistant to heat and impact. The structure is extremely light, weighing only 0.3 pounds. Number 3. ELS 225.1. If workers had this sander, sanding ceilings and walls would be a lot easier. It not only boosts productivity by 60%, but it also improves quality of life. It also aids in the prevention of back, neck, and shoulder pain. Construction professionals assisted in the design of the machine, resulting in an ideal shape. A innovative method ensures a snug attachment to the ceiling or wall, making dust disposal easier. The sanding disc measures 8.9 inches in diameter and rotates at 1,600 RPM. There are also options for a smooth start and overload prevention. The device is essential for dry finishing and will help you save time and effort. Number 4. Pop Eeze. The blade may be adjusted, and when combined with a huge funnel, the amount of debris on the floor is kept to a minimum. The gadget weighs roughly 11.9 ounces and is compatible with industrial vacuums. Ceilings of any height can be used, but the manufacturer recommends 12 feet or less. It's easy to store and clean up after work thanks to the plastic body. Work with this tool will be not only more efficient and cleaner, but also safer, according to the manufacturer. Number 5. PIPECUT Mini. This cordless pipe saw is described as a true multi-talent by its creators. It can produce up to 140 cuts on a single battery charge. Despite its small size, and it easily handles a wide range of materials. Steel, copper, plastic pipes, mounting rails, drywall, and many other materials are available. The saw is multifunctional as it may be used as a hand saw, disc saw, or meter saw. The instrument has a specific support surface and weighs 9.5 pounds. The device is powered by a cast battery that may also be used with other brands of equipment. A unique bag is also included in the kit to aid in chip collection. Number 6. Roof Snake. Precision is required while working with roofing because too much impact or sloppy tool movement can damage the material, forcing you to recreate a large piece. To make the work easier, here's a 2-in-1 tool that combines a pry bar and a nail holder. The instrument is small, weighing 1.4 pounds and measuring 13 inches in length. The nail holder makes it much easier to secure shingles with a hammer, and the pry bar may swiftly remove old roofing, felt shingles, and other materials. According to the maker, the gadget would not only increase the quality of your job, but will also protect your fingers safe. Number 7. Katimex Kati Twist 2.0. The concept is straightforward. It's a unique 65.6-foot wire with a rod. You don't need any tools or electricity. Simply clip the cable end into the rod and draw it out with a built-in crank. The wire can support up to 286.6 pounds and readily passes through even thickness of curved pipes. The device weighs 5.7 pounds and is comprised of impact-resistant polycarbonate. Furthermore, users of both left and right hands will be able to work comfortably. Number 8. 4Jet JETLASER. This laser technology allows you to remove paint, oil, grease, rust, and other deposits without having to use your hands. use. The laser has no effect on the surface, is environmentally friendly, and saves money on consumables. The system is so simple to run that it only takes a day to learn how to utilize it. The ergonomic design contributes to the convenience of adjusting and saving parameters. On the surface, the cleaning line is projected. In 1 second, 1.24 to 1.55 square inches of surface can be cleaned of rust, depending on the working mode. Number 9. Trend Inflatable Wedge. The technique may appear simplistic and unreliable, yet it can safely handle up to 300 pounds. A 0.08 inches gap can be filled with the inflatable wedge. It can also raise objects up to 2 inches in height. Polyurethane is used for the construction, which is reinforced with unique fibers. It's abrasion resistant and can endure high pressure. The wedge is simple to operate, even by oneself. You can use either your hand or your foot to pump the air. When compared to a traditional wedge, the inflated construction eliminates scratches and other problems. Number 10. Tube Straightener. This equipment, which looks like a pair of deformed garden shears, is used to mold pipes into the desired shape. Engineers in Taiwan are responsible for its creation. For years, this industrial film has been inventing comparable instruments. The design is functional and well considered. The tool is suited for dealing with copper, aluminum, and steel pipes, and it is very compact and does not require electricity. The quick fix mechanism secures the pipe and allows you to set the right bend in seconds by tightening just one screw. You can also minimize unnecessary motions with a yellow roller. So which of these gadgets do you think is the coolest? Please let me know by leaving a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.